see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah, we alone.
Since you're always cussing about, oh, now you want to vlog when the food's all done?
Yeah, that's what she does all the time. Every time food done, it come out the camera.
Can't even see you.
Should be black.
No, it's the light is this way, that's why.
Bleach.
Anyways, guys, welcome back to another vlog day.
Yeah, right.
You're such a hater. Pick up. I'm telling my dad. Oh my god, the battery. I'm so over this damn thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again. So, I'm telling my dad, I'm like, why don't you just come to my room, pick up the camera, and come vlog? She always complaining that I'm missing it when you're cooking. So anyways, it is the day before Thanksgiving. I had a night shift last night. So with this job, they do 2 weeks of night shifts, and then I think 2 weeks of day shift, bro. I'm still trying to adjust to this night shift life. I did night shift before when I was a child and youth worker, but this is like totally different. And then some nights is just busier than some. So I'm just like, oh my god, my body is just. And then I didn't bring anything. Like, I brought stuff to eat last night, but I should have brought like a full meal. I brought more like snacks, so it was just not helpful. Like, I just felt even more shitty. Basically, that's how I felt. What's that, Keisha?
Like a side pasta.
Rare sighting of Keisha in the kitchen. I have to I gotta keep this for memories for us.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Then my granny is over here. Where is she? Mama! Mama!
Sunset on the morning, the brightness of the sky, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them.
Yes, Granny. Amen. So Mama's here. Mama. I had a night shift. I worked during the nights.
Well, my dear, when we talk about work, this is how it is.
Ah.
And nobody will work for us.
Yeah.
We have to work for ourselves.
I know, the bills gotta get paid. The elders always tell us, when you start working or when you start do this or when you have your own kid, you will know. You see? Yeah? So let me see what I got in the kitchen. We got, this is hot. We got some rice. I'm not gonna fully open it. We got oxtail. And what is this? Oh my god. Oh my god, what is that? We got salmon. We got some salad. I don't know what this is, but it says hot. I'm coming, baby.
Mommy.
Oh, I think it's curry goat. Yeah. It's hot. And then Keisha over here, I chef up some pasta. Cheesy, and we got some corn.
And turkey's in the oven.
Oh, turkey's in the oven. Let me see. We got turkey there, and then what is this?
Is you see rice over there?
Yeah. Huh?
This is rice too.
Hey, let's go bathe and get pretty. You wanna go put a dress on? Where's my money? Watch out! Watch out! Come, let's go bathe. Aw, poor thing, yo. Oh, what happened? This girl's taking. Oh, wow.
I think.
You don't want, let you think, or do you want this one? You like that one? What about this one?
No.
My girl said no.
No, put it down.
You don't want that one? I'm dead. And then we got my hubbies with the good goods. Let me see what's in there. After this guy buy me my gift card to go use my gift card. How you gonna buy my gift card to use my gift card?
I buy my own shit. Yeah? What's up, Mama?
Happy Thanksgiving! Nyla, look. Hello?
It's like yesterday.
Happy Thanksgiving! What are you doing?
with Play-Doh.
You're playing with your Play-Doh? Well, not really welcome back, but is it welcome back? I think so. Because yesterday I didn't really vlog. Didn't really vlog too much because, you know, you just chill. Plus I slept away most of the day because I was so tired. Night shift is literally taking a toll on my body. About to go clean up my car and vacuum it out because my car is dusty.
It's gonna break.
In Zion. I don't know if I'm gonna probably get copyrighted.
Yo. So right now, I'm there, I'm go all the liquor. Shave up. Wash my hair about 2 weeks ago. Let me just take out one grey hair out of my hair, star. And get all. Anyway, so I did my hair about 2 weeks ago, but 2 hours ago, you know, I can't just jump and get an appointment. So now I have to go and hold off till weekend. You watch a piece of my nail and I chip off and I need to hook under my ear. But I say I have to go off till next weekend to get back a platter. Yo, suppose me doing still like suppose me go something like this. That's crazy. Yo, did it. Anyway. So I will line up, take off the hair off and face and thing, and then all a beard. You see me? But you don't know. Check back with them because I chat to one a little bit. Anyway, so I look line up. Probably not even looking different, but you know, I want to touch to it. Since I come to Canada, I only go to barber shop one time. One time from I come. I got barber shop only one day time. And the one time I got barber shop. One time I got barber shop. I time when the man when the barber do like shave off the whole of this, make it short up or something. From that day, I've never until today day I not go back on barber in Canada. No, so this look lean a joke. Does it? Nah. So yeah, until today, I not go back in our barber shop. So shame them and play them joke. So as I meant to say earlier, I meant to say like, yeah, I like to shave up, you know. You know, you see how face look, I know, like, you know. But what I say is, what I did I say me want to come back and say is that some of the time, your reason, oh shit. Like you show some people are little vibes, and it's just that more in life you have to be patient, you know. Like patience is coming in a big part of life, you see me. And as much as how we were there and I say, oh boy, you can't wait for your thing up, man, you know, that everybody still, because everybody want better, you see me. And you're probably there and you say, oh, no changes now make or nothing now happen, you see me. And deep down it happen, you know, but I just, you not have the patience feet, you know, all the because you will want to say is like, you know, so it's like what I say is a little thing up, man, for the past about couple of weeks, like me been sit down and I think like how to go at it, and like me I get mad, like sometimes I like get angry, like me I say yo, I just want to just do what me I do and done, you know. And me been there pray and thing, and just I manifest to say yo, at least make something go on, you know. And it's just that like you just continue and say yo, no changes now, make you not see nothing, and you know. And like me just did have me a reason with all Nisha, my mother and everybody, and I show them say yo, like some of the time in our life is like you feel like nothing change, you know, or a little thing not change. Because for me, I can say a whole heap of changes on which part I appreciate and make me glad feel, you see me. And but with this now is like I say yo, when, you know. And right as that they may get a call like it's somebody I say yo, you know some more reason with up on the levels because boodoo up, you see me. And right at the point which part me way in the plan to go to the person, go chat to him on the levels, that he end up that's him call me and like him I say yo, you know say ropes and the thing work good and we love it and everything, and like me I say yo, you know say me in the plan to link on and tell him to say yo, that can't go on because me do the things I was supposed to do back on the levels, and it's just that me in myself in the wait same way, because I still say oh, me I wait, and trust me like the wait just pay off in a realist way. Like when that me get the call and hear what I go on, like me just turn up and me just I smile to myself. Even me and my thugs in the top on the phone and me I say yo boss it, you know say the same thing they want me in the reason with about on the levels. I see him call me get and like it thing just work out, you know. Just say so still. Eh? You know it's Ed Bunny and Nisha, it's same thing. You know? So you know, last night I shave up and just pull out here, come get me hair wash this Friday. But you know say Tanis name confirm with Tanis said so I have to. Anyway, the last night I see more reason with them on the levels showing our cook vibes. Right now I work, I go in the morning and I'm going to start part every day. That's why when I jump in the car, I just finish here the rest on my phone. So if you know, I'm going to film my phone, look at it now. These side prop stops. Even though right now in the morning I get cold, you know. You know, so I don't feel the time I hear it batting up. But anyway. I love my morning prayer. Really. Yeah, man, see, morning prayer. See, bring me peace, bring me wealth. Bless me with great health. Clear a path so I can flourish, because what's ahead shall surely nourish. You know, this morning I just try to know some blessings, some love, and some godly words to a lot of people out there, a lot of family members, you know, a lot of the Newby fam. And something, this is something I probably hear me say over and over. You can't ask for a thing and sit down and wait for it. You have to push forward. You get me? You know? You can't want boiled egg and sit down with the egg in the fridge and expect you to get boiled egg. You get me? You have to get up, put it on the stove, turn on the stove, and the stove boil it. And then you have to go peel off all the thing them, and then you get your boiled egg. You get what I say? So if you sit down and just, Father God, do me I beg you want a boiled egg and me hungry. And you know what I mean? And you don't move to it, you know, you get it. You get what I say? So you have to do your part in anything what you do. So for this morning, I jump up, share out some food, get myself ready, check the curve. Forex and thing. Enough somebody probably say, why would you have your Forex, right? It's a journey. You get me? And I only by the time I look back and vlog them from way back till today day. And me can see like the journey, how things move, how life move, just, you gotta take a time, you see me? And from what I know, that's right now, I have to big up to Wayne, big up yourself, because that the Monday, the first person reach out to me and then to say, oh, I start the liquor trading, and reach out to me and I say, oh, you, to what I see, you and all the knowledge, you will get that something that just take your time, go take time. You see me? And carrying, big up yourself. Big up yourself. You don't know what this come down, big up yourself. You see me? Jerry Skull, the Kingdom Squad, bless up on yourself, see you. So, the liquor thing what I say, at the car what I buy and the message what I get. But I the first when time I touch out. So as I say, run some food, like Red Bull, water. I jump in back on the walk again until Tuesday. You see me? And hopefully by Friday we can have a little vibe, same speed. Well, make sure so we have a little vibe, you see me? Bad out. Good morning again and bless upon yourself before you touch out. Say a word of prayer for me and on yourself, stay away. Blessings.
Yes, sir! Good morning, you know. But yo, as I made the reason early on in the month, well, just a while ago. So, what I say is that I get a little message basically, you see me? And it kinda, when I like, it kind of make me feel a way, but you don't know me not too. You see it? You know, probably say, Lord, please, Ziggy trip. Yeah, man, when I trip, man, see the you're just well done. So what I say is, the message basically I say, yo, if you're there foreign and me always see how work and a do thing, why you name buy a more modern car. I guess the match item say me should have buy like a more hyper car then, but me I say this is somebody that probably not even know me in a one little way, you see me, or them probably not see which part me I come from or what, why they would say, because me I know the hype type somebody, you see me, and me don't know, like back home people used to tell me whole heap say me hype or me go on like me hype and all of them shit there, you see me? So it's like know that somebody else come now and I say, boy, me should have did this, cause I say, but bro, you don't even know me on a levels for you go tell me say me should have go buy hype a car or whatever. You get what I say? Me go get hype a car now and then anything wrong and start laugh after me. Me nah make all of that. You're gonna make them brain function. I have to know. You see me? Like me have my car now, which part me drive go work. I'm ready to bump this blood clean music and I'm on my vibes. You get what I say? I'm reach a work safely in a God name. I'm reach back at me house safely in a God name again and me not no problem. The only thing what I say when time I get me just say I want to have some rims. And me go out there and buy my rims and put on my car and my car look nice. You get what I say? Oh man. So I just that energy me I show some people say that's why enough people me take off and laughing because serious start now. Although it's serious start before, but that's why enough people not really share them success now a little way, you see me? Because no matter where you in life, enough people now happy for you or happy with you. You see what I say? And enough people just want themselves to be happy in a little way, you see me? In a selfish way. You see, pray. And you can't be selfish, because if you're selfish, nobody, you're not gonna sell no crab, no shrimp, no lobster. Because you only have selfish. You see me? You have it all around and not all for yourself. You see me? Not because you only like fish, you go only sell fish. You have to sell some crab and some lobster and some shrimp and, and some of them stuff there. You get what I say? But anyway, yeah man, I just say things said. But enough people just only for themselves, you know, all the way, you see me? Because I not like, I come on, enough people see my journey, you see it? And know which part, as I say, know which part I come from, you see me? When me used to have to touch out a morning time, and then you know, saying, well, Nisha ain't just but she ain't fresh in a baby stage and thing, you see me? Because at the time, when me just reach up and me ain't in the work none at all, and me uncomfortable and me just really want to go to work, and me a man always have money in my pocket. You get what I say? And even though me don't have money in my account, but me a man, me not like going to account and spend money, you see me? Me like work and do my thing, have money in a pocket. You see it? So me never comfortable in a way, me just want to go work. So for the whole time I'm in there first, me in the word, enough somebody know that they already, you see me? And end up that's me get to work and roughly that time, the time I start get cool. And you don't know your boy, you have to do your boy, you have to walk it. You know, like on 15 minutes, 20 minutes walk. If you go catch your bus, I'm all time. Oh man, just by seeing like where you come from, it's just, you know. But when I say we have to walk, go catch the bus in the morning, you see me, until it come around that time, me all have to start ride the bicycle. You know, but when the snow start fall, you know, or snow, when the snow start to fall, when the snow start fall, it's like, me have to just start walking. You see me? Because me feel bad for wake up Nisha and I 5 o'clock a morning time, 6 o'clock for come out the house, go drop me off, you see me? And no, that's me a Joyce, only buy bro, yo. No, that's me have a machine, so only come on at them boss me if you buy this. We should have buy something more expensive. You see who no? You see who no? Oh yeah man. But me are going for the work, you know, still. What do you mean? Me are say me want to show no. Oh, now man, me show no what go on, man. Oh, no, I'm going to show no what go on. You see me? And hopefully by the time I reach in a certain part, I can show no the stages and which part today, you know? Because me always like construction, you know. No somebody I say, but Ziggy, we have a good job with Mario them. Yeah, it was a good job. I like it, but at the same time, I know what me want do, you see me? At the time, it's a better move. Because me they work at Loblaws, just to show you, like, me they work at Loblaws. And so first it was with Freddy, then me they work downtown, you know, and painting, and then me they work at Loblaws. And then we also bullet up and get through the job with Mario, and, you know, the things start run off the realest way. But as much as how me like it, but I never want me heart desire. You see me I say? And me just never feel energy, because me like painting and me like construction working, as in like framing, drywall, baseboard, flooring and them stuff there. That's what me like, do you see me? Because, you know, yeah man, that's a for me thing there. And me not they 100%, but when me I do everything like that. You see me? So it's like me feel comfortable. You know? While me there work, and some of the time I eat lunch late, because only reason why, because like me start the work and you enjoy, yeah, basically you enjoy what you do. So you come like, you're not even hungry, you're not even tired, you know, all the way. Enough somebody probably understand what I say still, but that me I try to say, you see me? And me feel good. Cause see, I know right now me are going in the morning and probably nobody know did it. And me have to go start up your work and all of them shit there, you see me? And just, may I give you a little piece of what go on as a bonus. Me just reaching my work already and may I tell you say, as I know say, me I want God bless you, you know. Just reaching my work already and it's like, G, I tell me say, yo, you, I like how you work. You see me? And I trust you, because I can left you with certain things and come back and it get finished. And in the next couple of months down the line, you probably have to start supervise the work for me now and the career. Big up on yourself, me link on the back later still. Bang! Eat! Yo, darling. Trust me. Anyway, so back then, when Carly gets this house a good while, I don't know if it's a good while or what, but how them put on the tile, it's a pain in the butt, bro. Why, daddy? It's a pain though, because like, as I can see, yes, see that little line now, go down this also. So then put a mesh on the floor. Then put one mesh on the floor, and then after I mesh, then they put the cement and tile. You know, so it give you more work to take them up. So you literally have to dig up, like dig right up. You see me? So now I already went to take up all of this side already, because this side when you just walk in, I also take up all of this. You know, in the kitchen, so we tear down all the cabinet them. So we tear down all the cabinet them and take up all the floor. As you can see, it line them against a PMS in this. So everything take out all the cabinet them. So you know, so probably this week we go start put on. So what we do, what we go use, we not use back no mesh on the floor. Make it more easier. We use a thing called cement board. So the cement board now we go just come in, put on the cement board them. Cement board them look like ply, but a small like 4 feet by 4 by 6, something like that. So that's how we go put on now to make it kinda easier. But for now, maybe I can finish the cup just a very.
Y'all see how my hair is literally a hot mess? Like, I had washed it, so my curls were nice, but then I put it in a bun, and then this is what happened. So now I'm doing an apple cider vinegar because my scalp is just on one. So I'm just massaging it in, and then I'm gonna spray it on the ends. And then I bought this shampoo and conditioner to use. I'll show you guys. Actually, it's a really good shampoo and conditioner. It's just mad expensive. Mad expensive. I've actually shared with you guys, well, some of you guys on my Snapchat. If you're on my Snapchat, I should say you guys would have seen it. But Olaplex is the ish, okay? This shit really helps to repair and strengthen your hair. So I went out today and got the conditioner shampoo. Spent $70 on these 2 little bottles. Look how they're not even that big. And then I also have a leave-in conditioner. Like the bottles that this stuff comes in is just so pinched. Like, look how pinched this is. This is so small. And then they have a I don't even know what to call it, but you basically put it in. So this is a leave-in, and then they have this other thing that you could put in your hair. I need to go find it because I don't know how to describe it to you guys. But basically you put it in your hair before you shampoo your hair. But this stuff literally brings my curls back to life. Like, it's that good. Let me see if I can find it. Woo, here it is. Wow, the lighting is so shit in here. But anyways, this right here is really good. This is the Hair Perfector #3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. So basically you put this in your hair before you wash your hair. And you just leave it in for a little and then you rinse it out. And you do this 2 to 3 times per week for damaged hair. So, and you can put this on wet or dry hair. So after I do my AC rinse, I'm gonna put this in. A little goes a long way. And then I'm gonna wash it with the shampoo and conditioner, and then probably style it with the leave-in conditioner. But yeah, man, I have a night shift tomorrow, so I'm just really trying to prep my hair for my weekend night shift. But that's what's going on the night. But I'm gonna go finish my hair. I'm not gonna do a full routine. If you guys want me to go more details, like a full curly hair routine with these products, I would do that. Just let me know down below, because I'm telling you, these products are really good. They're expensive, but really good. Like if you're buying all 4 of those products, you're spending almost $200. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys want me to do a more in-depth tutorial on these products, and I definitely will, because like I said, this is holy grail right here. So y'all, we here cooking up a star. Remember, show Ziggy if you're cooking garlic shrimp. I'm joking. So anyways, we got some mashed potato. We got some chicken breasts, not dry, well juicy. I don't know what Ziggy's. Was this mine? You making me a heart?
No, it's mine.
Oh, that's not yours because you had grabbed the white plate first.
No.
Whatever. And we got.
Feel like prisoner.
What? Say it again. What?
Feel like prisoner.
That's rude. That's so. We got some steak over here and some asparagus. Ziggy did up this one. I will not take the credit. That's okay. So we got some asparagus underneath. This one here, but he needs to switch it up. And then we got some. Oh, it's over on top of the stove. We got some steam veg with some garlic shrimp. Everything in here is garlic. My mouth's watering. Nom 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 nom. Do I want chicken or do I want steak? What are you doing? How are you gonna have both?
Go do it all of this a piece. I'm going to use a piece.
Yo, I don't know. Ziggy, we're not gonna eat off all this.
You're not gonna eat it.
This is like me right here. This alone is good.
That alone good?
Yeah. I want a piece of steak. Give me a little piece right there. Stop, man.
Use some of this gravy, yeah?
So anyways, guys, we're about to go rub and dub.
Coward, we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.